So the next one, garments that protect other garments. Okay, so garments that protect other garments. So we said in the definition of this category, we said when protects us from elements, but not protects other garments. Okay, so it says only an article worn to protect the body can be considered a garment. An item whose sole purpose to protect one's clothing from dirt or damage is not considered garment and may not be worn outside. The following practical examples serve to illustrate this principle. So meaning one to protect another, like apron, right? So usually people don't wear an apron like in the house, because they're cold, right? Because but they wear, like for example, because they're cooking and or they're washing dishes, this and that. So they do it to protect their clothing from being soiled. So, but that's the only reason, right? So meaning the garment to protect another garment. Okay. So, and it says, number one, the following practical examples to serve to illustrate this principle. Number one, it is forbidden to go outdoors wearing an apron, since an apron is worn only to protect the clothing from becoming dirty. Okay, we said that. However, if the apron covers the majority of the person's body, it is considered as a bona fide garment, and one is permitted to wear it for any reason. So, like a butcher or something, like some people work with some I don't know, some material, I don't know, like with hot stuff, I don't know, or something like this apron very long till their boots or something, right, and it cover like a majority of the body, right. So in this case, yes, it's a garment. I mean, people would wear outside. I'm not sure why, but technically there is no problem. Continue. Number two, it is forbidden to go outdoors while wearing the handkerchief over the one's short collar, if it is the sole purpose to prevent the collar from being soiled by perspiration. So meaning this handkerchief on the neck to prevent the color of the shirt being soiled. Very interesting. I mean, people usually, like men wear it for decoration, right? For not decoration, right? So I mean, for a style or something. So if it's for a style and it's like for adornment, the word adornment, right? That's what I was looking for, right? For adornments, yeah, there would be no problem. Right, but to prevent from soiling the color of the shirt, absolutely not. Okay, so number three, according to many poskim, it is forbidden to wear a plastic rain hat that covers the ordinary hat. For since the hat itself keeps the hat dry, and the plastic cover protects only that hat, it is considered a garment. It is unlike a plastic raincoat that prevents the heavy rain from saturating the coat and seeping through to the body. Okay, so let's try to understand this example. It's a very practical example. So many people who wear a hat, they have a plastic hat. It's like fitted, right? Right, with the elastic around, so they put like especially like a special to protect the head. The head is natural leather, right? So I mean, of course you can go under the rain, but you can ruin it very simply, right? So people care about the hats, and they put this plastic hats, plastic rain hat. I mean, the plastic, right? To cover to protect his head, because technically, as we said, it's leather. Leather is not going to right? I mean, it can hold the rain. I'm not sure for how long, like how strong rain, but a person would not get wet, right? So meaning when they put this a plastic rain hat on their head, so for sure it's only to protect the rain, the head. And another, he said, don't confuse two examples. Meaning one plastic raincoat on top of regular coat. So a person has a regular wool coat, right? Other material, doesn't matter. Yeah, I mean it's warm, but the rain is going to saturate and go through for sure, right? So when person rain wears on top of that coat, of the coat, this raincoat, there is no problem. So it's protecting the body. It's not. I mean, of course, it protects the coat that underneath for sure. But without this, a person would get wet. That's why it is allowed. Okay, 1 second. Let me quickly check time. Okay, so we stop here. So it's a very, as you can see, this very involved topic, and but very, very important, very, very important. Okay, so it's very long. Wow. Right, so let's stop here, 5 minutes break, and